Today we are in Vero Beach, Florida, and I'm gonna invite you all to come along with me to a hotel tour of the Home Suites Hilton. That's the Hilton Home Suites Hotel. So come along as we trek this space. Right here in the front of the hotel, right when you're gonna enter the lobby, you got a nice fire pit for people to chill, hang out. One night I was out here, there was a guy playing guitar and singing, so it's a pretty chill spot. It's a very dog friendly hotel, so you'll see dog bowls and stuff like that around here. Alright, so real quick, the Hilton Home Suites come with kitchen, bathroom, a little living space, 2 workstations, and the bedroom area. So with that being said, I'm going to show you all what this particular room looks like. This is room 227 on the Home Suites Hilton #2 in Vero Beach. First up, we got the kitchen area. It comes equipped with dishes, toaster, coffee maker. Let me show y'all. So you got your coffee mugs, you got glasses, you got your coffee maker, my banana, and then right down here, you got a dishwasher. You also have your sink. It comes with a tiny bottle of detergent. It does come with a sponge. It's a deep sink. Then you have some extra stuff. You got your trash bag, your trash can. Everything is soft close. And then up here we got a microwave. Conventional microwave. Then you got plates, you got bowls, you got paper towels. It's equipped with it. Your ice bucket or cookie jar. You got dishes. You got cooking dishes, and you have a toaster. Also, if you need like a little burner or something to cook a meal, you can request it in the front desk and they will bring it up to you. But that's not all, because we also have a refrigerator with a freezer. So I got my arepas for breakfast, some Tostitos. Not really a fan of these, but I do love me some homemade arepas, even though these are frozen. But that's what happens when you travel. And then you got your refrigerator. And I gotta have my Starbucks. Now let me show you the bathroom. You got body lotion, you got your tissues, you got your sink, you got hand soap. This is a superficial drawer, but you got all your towels. They use Angel Soft toilet paper. And then you have your hair dryer for the ladies. Hooks for your towels. And then you got your shower. Now we're gonna step into the little chill lounge area in the room. It has a workstation. It has a little ottoman. It has a sofa, which pulls out into a bed, and a nice table where we've been having dinner. It's like a dining table. You have your little ottoman, you have your table. This rolls out. This rolls out. You have your couch, and that folds out into a bed. Then you have this curtain right here, which separates the bedroom from this area over here. But all you gotta do is slide it. You kind of could see through it right now because I got the window open, but the nighttime it's kind of separating. But you can always open the curtain completely, and you have a mirror. AC temperature, which I gotta drop that a little bit because it's way too hot in Florida. And then right here we have a workstation, little workstation, and then you got a TV, and then you got drawers, 3 deep drawers, and you have this. Now let's open up the curtains and let's check out the bedroom. So you got a workstation, counter space right here. You got shelving, counter space. You got more storage. More storage. And you got drawers. You got your closet, which does come with an ironing board and an iron. Your AC unit, nightstands, connections for USB. You can put USB plugs plus this plus that. Over here, another nightstand. You got your phone. Once again, you got USB outlets, an alarm clock, and once again, you got USB connections. And you have your privacy curtain. This particular bedroom, like I said, this is room 227, and this bedroom has 2 beds. Have your ultimate breakfast sandwich. They do provide breakfast, and I must say their breakfast is actually really good. Now we're gonna check out the gym. It's small, but it gets the job done. It's open 24 hours a day. It's not that big, but you could definitely continue to keep your workout if you're on vacation or business trip, whatever it is. You can still stay fit. Keep it healthy, y'all. So now we made it to the laundry area. You gotta do some laundry. The washers don't wash that good. The dryer took forever. Alright, y'all, so now we're outside, chilling, palm trees, Florida sun, and I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the pool area and the barbecue area. You got Florida lizards, your pool rules. So you got a prep area right here. You got your burners. Cha-bam. Cha-bam. You got more prep area and then another burner. So like I was saying, this Hilton Home Suites is dog friendly. Your dog needs to be registered in the front desk, and you might have to pay a fee for the dog, but they welcome dogs. They have little bowls all over the place. Of course, always clean up after your dog. They got stations for you to do that. Be a responsible fur baby parent, because people like me, that I'm a fur baby parent, we could continue to use these amenities for people like the Hiltons who actually care about our fur babies. Then we got the parking lot, and it has 4 EV charging stations. Take a final look right here. The living quarters, TV, workstation, sofa which pulls out to a bed, privacy curtain, a big mirror, ottoman, and a dining room / work desk or table. We stayed here for an entire week, and I have to say, for a pet friendly hotel, very clean. It doesn't even look like this is a place that has pets. There's a lot of pets on my floor, but everything is super clean, very peaceful, great housekeeping. Overall, it was an amazing stay. I would definitely recommend this place if you want tranquility, if you are looking for a place that allows your pets, if you just want good old-fashioned southern hospitality. This is the place for you. So there you have it, y'all. Home Suites by Hilton #2 hotel tour. I hope you liked and enjoyed that little tour with me. We're doing a little bit more of these from time to time, so make sure you like, subscribe, ding the bell, all that good stuff. Don't forget to see new places, meet new faces, and always leave a space for love. Peace.